Okay, next part, part 2. Okay, so the unwrapping, and then this is another part. It's a processor unit, isn't it? Yeah, that's a 1.4. Yeah, that's a 142. That's a 142 card. Goes in there. And 16. That card there. Take that card out. And put this card in. Oh yeah, got jumpers there. Got to check those over, but I'll just see how it goes for the moment. Bang! Okay. So I have to get some Dolby Stereo going up. Proper reference standard home cinema. There's no other like it. Not even a Trinov comes near or close to this. Look at the size of it. Trinov is like that, teeny. This is huge. This is what you call a Godzilla. Rah! Look at it. The towering CP200. It's a real cliffhanger.